How to install Python on your Windows PC. Open any browser and search for python.org, and it'll open the official website. Hover over Downloads, and you'll see the latest Python version. Click it, and the download will start automatically. Once it's downloaded, open the installer. Check Use Admin Privileges and add python.exe to path. Then choose Customize Installation so you can see what's being installed. On the Optional Features screen, leave everything as it is and click Next. Then on Advanced Options, check Install Python for all users and keep the rest as default. You can change the install location if you want, otherwise leave it as it is, then click Install and allow administrator permission. After installation finishes, open the Windows search box, type Command Prompt, press Enter. Then type Python, space, --, version, and hit Enter. If the version shows up, Python is installed correctly. Now search for IDLE and open it. IDLE is Python's built-in editor where you can write and run Python programs. Suppose I want to print something like subscribe. So I'll write this and hit Enter, and you'll see the output immediately. Now, if you want to use Python in Visual Studio Code, you can watch this video.